Well, the deadline to file federal income tax returns is April 15th, and that is 10 days away. The IRS says about 40% of Americans still haven't filed yet. Many, including the small business owner you're about to meet, are requesting more time. Anna Werner explains why.
Environmental consultant Wayne DeFeo has plenty of projects to think about as he drives to meetings with clients. But these days, he's forced to consider something much less pleasant, his taxes.
Every year is a challenge, but this year it's more of a challenge because of the unknown. You don't know what to do, what to expect.
Small business owners like DeFeo are struggling to understand the changes in last year's tax overhaul. And the IRS estimates a record 14.6 million individuals are requesting extensions this year, along with nearly 8 million LLCs. The confusion around the new law means DeFeo will join them.
Do you think it'll be better later in the year when you actually have to file?
I don't think I'll be happier, but I hope I'm better. I hope so. I don't know.
The new tax law changes make calculating deductions this year more difficult. For example, who may qualify for business tax cuts and how much they can deduct. That is still open to interpretation.
So maybe you get this tax cut or maybe you don't.
Correct.
We're telling our clients, to the extent they can, to go on extension.
And it's making things difficult for accountants like Joe Perry of the firm Markham.
There's certain instances where we did get guidance, but the guidance is 200 pages, and when you sift through that guidance, it leads to more questions.
So you ask the IRS for answers. They give you answers. The answers lead to more questions.
Well, sometimes, yes.
DeFeo won't get his answers until after he files, which now won't be until October.
I don't know if it's going to impact my cash flow. Do I have to put more money aside for this year? Because I'm not sure. I may even do better. I don't know.
Well, if there's one clear winner here, it might be the accountants. They expect to bill more fees because of all the extra work they're doing for clients. Accountant Joe Perry calls this the Super Bowl for accounting firms, Margaret, because you have to be a pro to figure all this out.
But not fun at all, Anna. Not fun at all.
It's their bailiwick, but for the rest of us, a nightmare.
Yeah, thank you for that.